Indoor plants do a lot more than just spruce up your living space. As it turns out, these leafy companions are not just aesthetically pleasing, they also have a secret superpower. They promote our health in ways we've barely begun to understand. It's no secret that indoor gardening has gained significant traction over the years. Whether it's the monstera in your living room, the snake plant in your office, or the peace lily in your bedroom, these plants have become an integral part of our indoor landscapes. And there's a good reason for this growing interest. Indoor plants don't just add a touch of nature to our homes, they also come with a host of health benefits. But let's start with some intriguing plant facts. Did you know that plants have the ability to purify the air? They remove toxins from the air we breathe, making our indoor environments healthier. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Some plants, like the snake plant, release oxygen at night, making them perfect bedroom companions. Others, like the aloe vera, have healing properties that can be used to soothe burns and cuts. And it's not just about physical health. Indoor plants can also boost our mental well-being. They offer a calming presence, reduce stress levels, and can even improve concentration. So, that sense of peace you feel when you're surrounded by your leafy friends, that's not just in your head. As we embark on this journey of exploration, we will uncover more about the magic of indoor plants. We'll delve into the science behind their health benefits, explore their impact on our mental and physical health, and share some tips on how to make the most of these green companions. So get ready to be amazed, because as we delve deeper, you'll discover just how much these green companions contribute to your health. Indoor plants do more than just look pretty, they are hard at work improving your health. Let's delve into the science behind this. Central to their health benefits is the process of photosynthesis, the way plants convert light energy, typically from the sun, into chemical energy that can be later released to fuel the plant's activities. But wait, it gets more interesting. During photosynthesis, plants absorb carbon dioxide, a gas we exhale, and one that is prevalent in our environment. In return, they release oxygen, the very stuff we breathe and need to survive. So by merely existing in your space, these green companions are subtly increasing the oxygen levels in your room, making the air fresher and easier to breathe. But that's not all. Plants are not just oxygen factories, they are also skilled air purifiers. They can reduce levels of certain pollutants, such as benzene and nitrogen dioxide. These pollutants are often found in homes and offices, emitted by things like furniture, carpets, and electronic devices. For example, the spider plant, a common indoor plant, has been shown to absorb more than 90% of the potentially harmful gas, formaldehyde, present in the air. And there's more. Indoor plants can also increase humidity levels, which can be particularly beneficial in dry climates or during winter months, when indoor air tends to become dry due to heating systems. This added moisture can help with dry skin, dry coughs, and even prevent dry eyes. But let's not forget about the microorganisms that live in the soil of these potted plants. These tiny organisms can help to break down airborne chemicals and pollutants, adding another layer of air purification to your indoor environment. So next time you water your peace lily or trim your snake plant, remember, they're not just decor. They're working tirelessly to create a healthier environment for you, and they do all this silently, without any need for batteries, power cords, or a Wi-Fi connection. With each breath you take, your leafy friends are silently improving the quality of your air. Our mental well-being is just as important as our physical health, and indoor plants are here to help with both. Now let's delve into the world of indoor plants and mental health. We've all had those days, right? The ones where the world feels a bit too heavy, and everything seems a little too much. Well, it turns out, the greenery you've been nurturing in your living room might be offering more than just aesthetic appeal. Scientific studies have shown that indoor plants can have a significant impact on our mental health. They act like silent companions, offering comfort, reducing stress, and creating a sense of calm. They're like quiet therapists, absorbing our worries and replacing them with feelings of positivity and tranquility. A study from the University of Exeter in the United Kingdom found that indoor plants can boost our mood and productivity. Imagine that, just by having a few plants around, we can feel happier and get more done. Another study from the University of Technology, Sydney, discovered that indoor plants can reduce stress and tension by as much as 37%. That's right, just by adding a little greenery to our indoor spaces, we could potentially cut our stress levels by over a third. And it doesn't stop there. The Journal of Physiological Anthropology found that interacting with indoor plants, like touching and smelling them, can reduce physiological and psychological stress. So, Those moments you spend tending to your plants? They're doing wonders for your mental health. But why do plants have this effect? The answer lies in biophilia, our innate human instinct to connect with nature. Our brains are wired to respond positively to natural environments. Indoor plants bring a slice of the outdoors inside, creating a calming, natural environment that our brains love. So the calm and peace you feel around your indoor garden. That's real and it's backed by science. From the air we breathe to the humidity in our homes, indoor plants have a direct impact on our physical health. Such an impact may seem subtle, but it's nonetheless significant, particularly when it comes to the quality of air in our living spaces. You see, indoor plants are natural humidifiers. They release approximately 97% of the water they take in back into the air. This process, known as transpiration, helps to increase humidity levels in our homes, creating a more balanced and comfortable environment. This is particularly beneficial in drier climates or during those harsh winter months when the air can become particularly arid. Why does this matter? Well, increased humidity levels can have a profound effect on respiratory health. Dry air can lead to dry nasal passages, which can make us more susceptible to respiratory ailments like colds, sore throats, and dry coughs. By increasing humidity levels, indoor plants can help to alleviate these symptoms and foster a healthier respiratory system. But the benefits don't stop at respiratory health. Indoor plants can also help to mitigate dry skin. Just as plants can add moisture to dry air, they can help to hydrate our skin. This is especially beneficial during the winter months when cold, dry air can leave our skin feeling parched and uncomfortable. With the aid of indoor plants, we can maintain healthier, more hydrated skin throughout the year. Furthermore, some indoor plants can also help to purify the air. They can absorb toxins and release oxygen, making the air cleaner and healthier to breathe. This is not only beneficial for our lungs but also for our overall physical health. So while we may initially get indoor plants for their visual appeal, their benefits go much deeper. They help to create a healthier living environment, contributing to our overall well-being in ways we may not have previously considered. It's clear that the benefits of indoor plants extend far beyond their aesthetic appeal. They are, in fact, silent contributors to our physical health, silently working to make our homes not just more beautiful, but healthier too. The humble indoor plant is indeed a force to be reckoned with, a testament to the power of nature in our daily lives. Indoor plants are not just decorative elements, they are silent health heroes. Throughout this discussion, we've delved into the fascinating world of indoor plants and their impact on our health, helping us realize that these green companions are more than just a beautiful sight. They're our allies, silently working to improve our lives in ways we may not usually notice. Let's take a brief moment to revisit these key points. Firstly, we've discovered that indoor plants play a significant role in improving air quality. They act as natural air purifiers and oxygen generators, absorbing harmful pollutants and releasing clean, fresh oxygen into our homes. This process not only makes our indoor air healthier and more breathable, but it also helps to create a more conducive environment for relaxation and productivity. Next, we've explored the connection between indoor plants and mental health. These green gems have been shown to reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance concentration. By simply being in the presence of plants, we can experience a calming effect, which can in turn boost our overall mental well-being. And lastly, we've seen how indoor plants contribute to our physical health. The presence of plants in our living spaces can help increase humidity, which is beneficial for our respiratory systems. Indoor plants have also been linked to reduced fatigue and faster recovery from illness due to their positive influence on our environment. The bottom line? Indoor plants are not just a pretty sight, they're a health boost right in your living space. They silently improve our air, soothe our minds, and nurture our bodies. So, the next time you admire your indoor garden, don't just appreciate its aesthetic appeal, remember the numerous health benefits it's silently providing you. So the next time you admire your indoor garden, remember it's not just a pretty sight, it's a health boost right in your living space. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on the amazing world around us.